What's going on, guys? Burrito here, and today we're back with another Discord video. We're going to be on how to start a Discord server. This is a series. We're going to be on episode 3. This episode is going to be on how to spice up your server, how to make it look good, appeal it to different members. This is universal. You can use it on any type of server. You can use it on just a development server, gaming server, news server, chill server, streaming server, anything on the planet. This applies to. This is budget edition. Pretty much the budget edition is going to be the exact same as the normal one. So if you guys are not familiar with the series, we're doing 3 videos. One on how to actually make your Discord, the best channels to put in the start, how to advertise your Discord, and then how to make it look good. Then there's going to be a clone of those 3 videos that are budget edition, which you guys are watching right now. So if you guys want to see this same video but not on budget edition, look in the description below. But today we're going to be showing you how to actually make it look good on a budget. So let's jump right into it. Alrighty, so we're in the how to start a Discord server right here, HTSADS. And I'm going to be showing you guys the best tips and tricks on how to make it look good. So I'll start off with 3 and then we'll actually do them on video. Number 1, add emojis to pretty much anything that can have an emoji. That will look amazing. Add specific channels that are specific to your server. Be unique. And that's about it. Those 3 will get you a really long way. So let's jump right into it. Alright, right now we're on getemoji.com. This is the website that I use 100 times a day when I'm using Discord servers, customizing Discord servers, anything. So let's go to my main Discord actually. You guys can see right here, emoji, emoji, emoji. Or if we go to the roles, all of the roles have emojis. It's just the easiest way to make your server look good. Alright, so let's go back to the emoji page. Alright, we're back on the emoji site. If you guys are on Windows right now, or a Microsoft computer, you guys can press Windows key and then period. That will bring up a little emoji finder. I think this is pretty useful, but when it comes down to actually using tons of different emojis, I recommend using this website. If you guys are on Mac or an Apple computer, I know that you guys can find a little tab up on the top of your screen where it says like the time, the date, Bluetooth. You can add different emojis up there through the accessibility menu. And then if you're on mobile, you guys should have a little emoji button on the bottom of your screen next to your type pad or your keyboard. But there are tons of different emojis in here. So we're going to be customizing 3 different channels today. So let's cue back to the Discord and let's run it. Alrighty, we're back in the Discord. You guys can see the 3 emojis that I picked. This one is for welcome, this one is for important, and then this one is for general. So we're going to go to welcome real quick, edit the category, and throw the emoji in the front. So let's see it when it's all finalized. Alrighty. And I threw in the 3 emojis. I also added one for staff. You guys can already see an immediate, just aesthetically pleasing visual look on the server. It already looks really nice. I think it's more welcoming than before. So let's put on the roles that we have right now. I have owner and administrator. Let's make those roles display separately, and let's throw some emojis on there as well. Alright guys, and we're back. I put emojis for all of the different roles right here. It looks really nice so far, so let's see what it looks like outside. So you can see that I have the little trophy right there, and the bots have the little robot emoji. Immediate customization. This was all free to use, and I'll have the website in the description below. So let's cue to the next one. Alrighty, now on to number 2. Like I said earlier, we're going to add specific channels to our server that pretty much sets us apart, which kind of mixes with number 3, which is be unique. So right now, we can consider this a little bit of a gaming server. So I'm going to add a category with 3 different tech channels, and I'm going to call it gaming, right? So let's consider ourselves a gaming clan, just for the sake of the video. We're going to have esports. We're going to have tryouts. And then we're going to have actual games. So that will be looking for group games. That can be actual scheduled games, and then just stuff like that. So we're gonna actually transform esports into an announcements channel, so they can have announcements on different esports updates. So this is a specific channel to our server, which will set us apart from other ones that either are gaming, they maybe don't have tryouts, or aren't gaming at all. Alright, this can be considered very generic, but coming from a person who has owned many different Discord servers, and I've been developing and owning servers for a while, I'm letting you guys know that if you guys just make the most simple channels that set you apart even just a little bit, that's already one step ahead of everyone else who doesn't have it. So, on to number 3, be unique. Okay, one of the most easy ways to be unique is use Discord bots to your advantage, alright? I'll show you an example of this. Alrighty, to be unique, I added a burrito in front of everything. This can be used for any of your guys' brands. Just add your name wherever it can be added. Once again, that sounds really simple, but it already sets you apart. When someone joins and they see Burrito's chat, Burrito Lounge 1, or Burrito's bot, they already get Burrito into their head. So let's use an example, Ultimate Gaming Lounge. So for my members, they're called UGL members, alright? And then off the bat, everything has Ultimate Gaming Lounge in it, no matter what. You have announcements, all of these have Ultimate Gaming Lounge. For instance, our code is Ultimate. We have rules, which all have to do with UGL. We have advertisements, donations, UGL member link. We have UGL website. We have UGL scattered everywhere across the Discord. Anywhere that it can be placed, we have it. Just getting that message in your brain, or in the member's brain, of what server they're in and sticking with them is the easiest way to stay apart and make your server look good. So, that's the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. We went over the 3 main points. We went over emojis, we went over specific text channels, and then we went over using bots to our advantage, being unique, stuff like that. It's very easy. There's a lot more that I didn't touch on, and some of those stuff will be in the other video that isn't budget edition. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before 2021. I think that would be really cool. We're at about 600 right now. So once again, this is Ultimate Burrito from Ultimate Gaming Lounge, and I hope you guys have an ultimate day. I'll catch you around.